This time I woke up to a loud noise, like a trumpet call. It was so loud, and it scared me. You don't think about it, like, there was no thinking. I just grabbed my daughter, who was woken up by the noise too, and your only thought is you have got to move. Okay, I put her on my back because at 6 years old, I'm a petite young girl. Okay, 6 years old, I can't carry her, can't tote her. I put her on my back, and she's choking me from the fear. She's choking me out with her arms. Okay, and I reached the hallway. Now, this noise is not only loud, it's forceful. Like it's pushing me down. There's spiritual symbolism in this, okay? And I'm holding the wall and I'm trying to get through. The only thing I'm trying to do is get out of the house. And everything is in place. I do not know that I am still asleep. I'm approaching the end of the hallway. I can see the couch. Okay, the hallway goes like this. Okay, I'm coming out of my bedroom and I go down the hallway like this. And the couch is right there. And the front door is this way. So I'm coming down the hallway. I can see the couch. I'm getting closer. I'm still pushing, 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 pushing. I turn around that corner where the couch is, and I turn around and I'm headed straight to the front door. And I bump into a man standing right there at my front door. And then all I saw when I bumped into him, all I saw was his shoulders, chest, down. I never saw his head. I never saw his face. Shoulders, chest, down. Right there at my front door. And I woke up. In fear, confusion, which is what science says happens.